Guys, good morning. Today we're going to cook breakfast, a healthier version of our ordinary pancake. I want to make it healthier by putting ingredients that are very good for our body. Usually kasi, di ba, our pancake like we see sa Jollibee or McDo, yung ordinary pancake na matamis lang, ganon. We're going to put some fresh ingredients para mas healthier siya ng konti. Okay? So let's start with the ingredients. I'm going to use 2 bananas. Ito, may overripe na banana sa amin. So, yan. 1 egg. Half cup of oats. 1 cup of milk. Any kind of milk that you like. Pero ako, I'm using a healthier version of milk, yung almond milk. Okay? Kasi acidic ako. And then, ito, konting butter lang. Siguro mga 1 tablespoon of melted butter. And, ito yung nabibili nyo sa grocery. 200 grams of pancake mix. Ito, di ba? It comes with a free syrup, di ba? So, yon. Okay. So, ang tawag sa recipe ko for today, I call it banana oat pancake. Okay, so let's start cooking. Good morning. Okay, so let's start to combine the ingredients together. So first we have to do is to mash the 2 bananas. Okay, so peel lang natin siya. Ayan. Peel lang natin. Okay, naisip ko siya kasi overripe na yung bananas, and instead of baking, kasi hindi ako masyadong into baking, naisip ko tong recipe na ito. Yun, naisip ko lang sa mind ko. Ayun. Ayan. So, ayun. Alisin lang natin ng konti yung mga medyo dark parts. Ayan. So, i-mash lang natin siya. Ayan. Just mash it like this. Very easy. Ayan. Okay. So, we're ready to mix this all together. Okay, so let's start mixing the ingredients. Actually brown out. Nakakatawa, brown out, pero I'm still going to continue to make the banana oat pancake. Okay, so let's start mixing the ingredients together. So una muna, dry ingredients. So ito yung instant pancake batter mix na nabibili nyo sa grocery. Ito. Okay, 200 grams. Ayan. Okay, and then dry ingredients muna, ha. So ito yung oats. 1/2 cup of oats. No? Ayun, nowadays medyo mahilig ako sa oats meal ganun kasi it's good for the health. Kasi as we know, oats are good for the heart and rich in fiber. Okay, so mix lang natin yung oats tsaka yung pancake batter mix. Okay. And then ang next ingredient natin is yung milk. Okay, konti muna. So, mix this. So we put the rest of the milk. Okay, so ganyan na siya, no, texture niya with the oats. And then we put the two mashed banana. Mix lang natin together. Ayan, yung mashed banana. Okay. And then we put 1 egg. Okay, and then lastly, melted butter. Mga ano lang siguro, mga 1 tablespoon lang to. Para lang hindi siya dumikit sa pan natin. Okay. Ayan guys, so ganito na yung mixture natin after mixing all the ingredients together. And we're now ready to fry the pancake. Okay, so I just started frying the pancakes. Naglagay lang ako ng konting tablespoon of melted butter. Okay, so ganyan ang itsura niya, oh. So it looks light and fluffy. Ayan. I think pwede na to. So we're going to put this on a plate. So yan siya guys. So yan. So ayan, sayang lang yung konting butter. guys, so we just started with another batch of our banana oatmeal pancake. Ayan, so we just continue to cook this. Siguro mga around 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. Ayan. Okay. Ayan guys, so I just finished flipping on the other side after 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan siya guys, so it's just like an ordinary pancake batter mix. So who would have thought na meron siyang oats at saka banana inside. So even sa mga kids, they would not know na meron silang na merong banana and oat inside. So I think this is a very good alternative for the kids to eat healthier pancakes. Okay, so yan. So we'll just finish cooking the other batches. So no need, kapag non-stick yung pan, no need to add more butter. So okay na siyang ganyan kasi naglagay na tayo ng melted butter kanina sa loob ng pancake. Okay, so I'll just finish cooking the rest of the pancake batter mix. Ayan. So, ayun. So, see you guys later. Konting tip lang guys while cooking your pancakes. Kailangan nasa low fire yung kalan ninyo. Okay, so cooking pancakes really is takes a while. Parang you have to be really patient with this, especially if you're making a big batch or kahit small batch lang. Talaga, it takes around siguro 30 to 1 hour to make perfect pancakes. Kailangan nasa low fire yung pancake natin. Okay. So, yun. Again, I will continue to cook this further. We'll see the finished product later. Ayan guys. So, ito na ngayon yung ating finished product. Nilagyan ko lang ng konting decoration. Ayan. So, I made around 8 pancakes. Ayan. So, ang cute, diba? So, who would have thought na meron siyang oats at saka banana inside. So, even the kids will love this and it's nutritious for them. It's more nutritious than to them than making an ordinary pancake from the box. Okay. So, to add more flavor to this, I'm putting chocolate syrup or a simple maple syrup will do. Ayan. Ayan. Guys, so that's our finished product. Our banana oat pancake. Ayan. So I hope guys you enjoy watching the video. Until our next episode. Bye!